Hey, it's your Geli Mamma here, and I'm working with the fabulous Kiki London today to show you their whole platinum collection. It consists of 11 polishes now, and they are absolutely stunning. Another thing I like is the fact that the colours, you do get like a colour pop on top of the bottles, which is really handy for storing these in a drawer, so you can quite quickly see which polish you're going to want. So here are some of the tools that you are going to use to prep your nail. Again, I will put a link to a video if you're unsure how to do this. But here are some of the products that you're going to want to use if you're doing a Kiki London mani. So going in order, the first polish is Angry Bird, so you can imagine what the colour is going to be. It does tell you the cure times on the bottle as well. So these are cured in 30 seconds, which is really handy. That extra 30 seconds does make all the difference, especially if you're in a rush. So I absolutely love this. I love the name of it. I love the colour. It's truly stunning. So next up is Pink Diamond. So this is more of a paler pink, and these polishes, let me tell you, Jelly Babes, are so stunning in the flesh. It's so hard to pick it up on camera how fabulous they look, but they're really sort of sparkly and glitzy, and you know, they are going to be gorgeous just on their own. So I'd previously already got this one, which is Blue Wish, which was with the polish that I actually got, which I fell in love with this collection with. So, you know, I really wanted to have all of the polishes in my collection. So this one is going to be gorgeous for like springtime. Can't wait for the warmer weather. So sick of winter weather right now. But you've got a colour here basically for all year round. This collection has got you sorted. So this is just your classic sort of like sparkly silver. And we all love a rose gold. It's very, very pretty. And this is the new one that's recently come out, which is Black Forest. I think it came out with the Festive collection. So I'm pleased to have this one as well and to swatch it. So I'm just going to get straight into obviously showing you how these apply. So you can see that they apply nicely. You want to make sure that it's a nice, thin, even coat to make sure that it cures properly without any wrinkling. So this looks a little bit weird on camera. I don't know why. It kind of looks a bit browny, but it isn't, if that makes any sense. It's just obviously how my camera is picking out those lights. So you want to get your lamp. So I have got a Kiki London lamp, which is fabulous. I've used it for months now and just love it to bits. It's awesome. So that's it curing away. So I'm going to go ahead now and apply the second and final coat. So I think this is a fabulous collection. It's on sale at the moment, so you can get polishes from 1 to 10 for £65, which works out about £7.99 a bottle, which is absolutely, you know, cracking the value for money, because these are 15ml bottles. They're not like the 7ml bottles that Kiki London normally do. So I do think that's a really cracking price. I think for now that you can only get your hands on the Black Forest polish if you buy the Festive collection, because it was kind of launched with that. I'm pretty sure that you'll be able to, you know, buy it individually in the future. But for now, yeah, you'd have to buy it through the Festive launch. So isn't this just absolutely gorgeous? I think this was one of the favourites when this sort of collection first came out. And you can see why. So moving on now to Modern Barbie. So this is a gorgeous shade of pink. So I'm just trying to get that first coat as even as possible. So for the rest of the polishes, basically I'll show you the first coat and then I'm going to show you it done and top coated. So this was 2 coats to be fully opaque. And it is just so gorgeous. I just love the sort of colour of it. And like I say, I love like the textured look that you get with these polishes as well. So you may or may not be aware the fact that Kiki London is proud to be vegan friendly and cruelty free. So no products or ingredients deriving from have or ever will be tested on animals, which I think is really important. They are really a high quality product, and I do know that these polishes do last a long time. They can last up to, I think it was like 3 weeks. I wore it one time and it was 3 weeks wear, which is just awesome. And I think by 3 weeks, I've got to be honest, I'm ready to change it anyway. So I absolutely love this one. I think this is one of my favorites. It's such a gorgeous shade of purple. And you could wear this sort of springtime, summertime. And I think because they've kind of got that, not icy feel, but that cooler feel to it, you could even wear these going into winter time as well. It's such a versatile collection and I absolutely love it. So I would love to know which polishes out of this collection are your favourites. Have you actually already got this collection, or have you got some of the collection? I just, would just love to know which polishes my Jelly Babes would go for. If you haven't got any, would you be interested in, purchasing these after seeing them being swatched? But all I can say is if you're after a good high quality polish that isn't going to break the bank, then definitely look into Kiki London's products, because it ticks all those boxes. And I've been using them for a few months now, and I'm just really happy using them. And that's one of the reasons why I've got behind promoting their brand via doing their YouTube videos and things like that, because I really do sort of believe and trust the company as well. I just want to take this time as well to respond to Gemma S. In my last video, she asked basically how long I would cure the LED colour gels for, because some YouTubers say 30 seconds, some say 60 seconds. She said she looked on the website, but there was no info there, so just wondered what time that I did. So for me, I mean, this collection states that it's 30 seconds for an LED, so I would put it in for 30 seconds. And I think it very much depends on your lamp. If you've got a high quality or high watt lamp, then maybe you could get away with that 30 seconds. But if it's, a bit of a lower wattage, then maybe you're better, curing it for 1 minute. With other Kiki London gel polishes, I do cure them for 1 minute. And that's using the lamp that you saw previously in this video. It's their 48 watt lamp, and that cures absolutely fine. But I've been curing these ones for 30 seconds because that's what it stated, and it's completely dry in that time. So hopefully that information will help you out, Gemma. So I think I've covered everything. Just got a couple more polishes to swatch for you now. If you want to know any other details, then just drop me a comment in the comments box below, and I will try and get back to you about that as soon as possible. There may be a bit of a delay because I'm not always on obviously the Kiki London YouTube channel, because I've got my own one, which is Gelulicious. So yeah, but do let me know and I will try and get back with the information that you would like. As soon as possible. So moving on now, this is the new polish. This is the Black Forest. It's a bit of a weird name because the polish actually isn't black, it's more brown, but it's still a nice shade. It could be a gorgeous, dark base for something, or obviously for you ladies that like the darker colours, you're not that mad on the brighter ones. But yeah, 2 coats to be fully opaque, and I really do love the finish of it. So this is such a gorgeous collection, as you can see here. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please press that free subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I always love to read your comments. So take care, Jelly Babes. Bye.